Are you struggling with understanding exterior cleaning and the cost differences between different methods? Well, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In this video, I'm going to look at the different methods and the different prices and show you how this knowledge can benefit you. Hi, my name is Darren. I'm the Managing Director and founder of Purple Rhino. I have had many years of experience in the exterior cleaning and the different methods and prices out there. I am here to answer any questions you might have. You submit below. Pressure washing has a low cost of entry and in the wrong hands can cause damage to the substrate being cleaned. It's very important to get this. This can happen easily and is often irreversible once caused. This type of cleaning uses a lot of water which blasts at high pressure continuously. Because pressure washing does not kill off all organic matter, the clean will not last so long. So the process will need to be repeated more frequently. So soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. This process involves the use of biodegradable chemicals which kill off the organic matter spores on the surface being treated. The results last on average 4 to 6 times longer than pressure washing would. Other benefits are that soft washing uses 1/3 less water and the equipment is battery powered and quiet, rather than a noisy diesel engine pressure washer, which nobody wants to listen to. Soft washing, when used to treat roofs, render and other surfaces, cannot cause damage due to the low pressure pumps that we use. And pitch roofs can be warranted for up to 5 years normally. So if you compare the cost of pressure washing with soft washing, you will find soft washing will be more expensive initially. But because the surface stays cleaner for longer, it's in the long term that soft washing will work out much more cost effective for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and then give it a like. We have weekly videos coming now, so hit that subscribe button to stay up to date. Have a great weekend or a great week wherever you are.